Hi, this is MCD Vehicle Systems. This is just a reversing camera system we've just done for this Luton van. Just going to show you the front of the cab where the screen is mounted. So basically we've just done a 7-inch screen which is mounted onto the windscreen. When the vehicle is started or put into reverse, the rear camera appears. You can see right to the bottom of the step of the vehicle, so it's very nice and clear. It's a full HD system this as well. If this is something that you'd like doing for your vehicle, just give us a call. We're on 01274 271 888. Thank you.